Hi, so today we are here at our recently completed house that we want to just showcase to you some of the special features that we've had done in this house. So first, let me show you the TV wall, right? So the TV wall, we're using this very special marble over here, and here different marbles, but this one is more on the matte finish, like the bush hammered, it's very rough surface. You don't get this reflective sort of feel like as per the TV. So I think it kind of, gives it a bit more like a toned down feel. Yet when you do like a look into a close-up feeling, you kind of see the textures and the sort of the grains, and you kind of see the glitter when the light shines on it. So I think it's very special. And so here you can see, kind of keep it very simple. Supposed to have a sound bar, which is not put in yet. Now we've got a temporary feature over here. So later it'll look much neater with a sound bar. And then, this is the same marble that is going to be carried out throughout the whole house. Moving to the dining, due to the space constraint, we want to try to keep it with more movable spaces, and we wanted to have this open view concept. We didn't want to have to add in another console over here, which would tighten up the space a bit too much. So we kept it as thin as possible. We just created some textures with some wainscoting, and also added some wall lights just to centralize this whole dining space. Alright, so we are here at the heart of the home, the kitchen. First thing, when you enter the kitchen, you see this very big slab of marble at the peninsula. We made sure that the grain, the marble grain, was going in one direction. So you've got this direction that's going like that. Yeah, everything is flowing to one direction. And usually for peninsulas or islands and stuff like that, we try to provide more storage. Yeah, so all of these are drawers. So it's easy to manage the storages. Yeah, everything is here. And something special over here, if you look over here, we actually did a sort of a bin space, a bit like, where we would throw the rubbish, right? You just like push it in. So it's a very nice hidden function over here. And also kind of keeps the smell away. And over here, a very special corner that we have. Yeah, this actually comes out and also moves into a special space over here. Here, you can also pull out again. Right, there's something here, I'll keep for later, right? Something special over here. I'll get back to this now. Okay, so over here, we've got the whole sink, you can put your cups and plates and everything. Lights just light up the space, right? You've got your cabinets over here. Yeah, something special over here. Look at this. We got our papers that's gonna be used to wipe around, right? So moving to the wet kitchen, we actually try to maintain as much space as we can. It's more functional, this space. So you've got your dishwasher here. You've got more drawers. Yeah, drawers are very useful all the time, right? And same, we've got our tissue holder over here as well. Yeah, can easily dispense the tissue. And all the plug points are hidden at the top. Moving into the yard. We done up this yard as well. Everything is in aluminium because this is really exposed to the outdoor weather. So everything outdoor, we make sure that it's aluminium. We did a bit of adjustments to the plumbing work over here because these are very old pipes in this house. So we had to kind of move the pipes, do some pipes. You can see we use this stainless steel pipe, yeah, to make sure that we have got this new outlet out here. Easy to wash, right? Yeah, everything is well functioning and awesome. Right, so finally we are here at the master bedroom. Just a very small feature that I want to show you, which is the bed head design, which curves all the way up. So we wanted to create this space where it's enveloped together. It looks like one piece, a single piece, and it also allows us to do the wiring works, which is, you know, you can see the lights, the lights at the side, and also to do the plug points and the switches at a very, very convenient space. This is usually how we do it all the time. You know, so while you're lying down on the bed, you want to just pick up something, you can just switch on and off the lights, and also you have the convenience of the plug points just right beside you. And same for the other side, you do the same thing. Okay, yeah. So this is how we do our bed head design. Alright guys, so this is the final piece that I wanted to show you earlier on. Yeah, I'm coming back to it, don't worry. So now, we've actually created this space with pocket doors, so you can go in. And then this one is also another pocket door here. If you notice this marble, it's a very nice piece of white marble, but this is actually onyx, so it allows light to go through. So therefore, with this, we've got this very theme lighting where it just creates this special touch. It's a talking piece with your friends, you know, when they come over while you're pouring the drinks, and it also actually lights up the space as well. Yeah, it lights up the space, just dim enough, just enough for you to get a cup. Right, so you know, this whole house fully clad with a lot of marble pieces. Isn't it marvelous? Right, so I mean, I gotta put in some puns here and there, right? Yeah, so let us know what you think about the space. If you like it, leave a comment. If you don't like it, maybe don't leave a comment. But yeah, I'm fine with you letting us know if you see something that we can improve. Why not? I'm here to like make things better, give more information, and try to just improve every step of the way. Yeah. Thanks so much for your time.